Hi, I'm Zach Keenan. I work in the service department. We had a challenge going on. We're all given 2023 Street Bob in the exact same color with a $5,000 budget to do a build. The goal was to sell your bike first, and whoever's bike sold first wins. In this case, I had an orange tank and a basic Street Bob, and I was to make it my own. Let's talk about comfortability. The one thing that people want the most when they ride is comfortability. So I decided to put a good portion of my budget towards the bars, being the one thing. I got rid of the swept back low-end bars on the Street Bob. I put some 8-inch risers and some tracker bars on there, so you can see that it's much more of a ergonomic feel when you're sitting on the bike. I then decided that I wanted to do a nicer seat, and in this regard I said I don't want a passenger, and I got the Harley-Davidson Brawler Seat. It looks awesome, it complements the bike really well. I then decided to do some aesthetic mods. So I took the rear seat pillion off as we did the solo seat to tie up the fender a little bit, and we removed the initial fender on the back here that has the brake light. We programmed these Harley-Davidson LED lights to be brake lights as well as turn signals. Side mount license plate to make it look a little bit more spicy. I started with some other blacking out to put the bike into being uniform. I got rid of the chrome bezel here, that's for the fuel tanks, and we put a flush mount on there. The stock Street Bob comes with a chrome headlight bezel on the front, yet the rear of the headlight is black, so I did a simple swap of the bezel, making the headlight more uniform and all black, and that kind of brought the whole bike together. To top it off, I threw on some Rick's black levers, some adjustables, so you don't have to ever worry about levers being too far out or too far in. I didn't want the tank to be completely black and kind of bland, so I switched it out for the Softail standard one, which poses a nice gray Harley-Davidson logo, which is considered OEM still. And to tie it up, I threw a little bag on there on the swing arm so that we can have a little bit of storage. That is my build. I wanted to keep it nice and simple, keep it aesthetic, and most of all, I wanted to make it ergonomic and comfortable. I called it the HITMAN'S HOG. This fits me pretty nice.